Hello and welcome back to our Nacho Mirror. Education shows us the importance of hard work. At the same time, it helps us grow and develop so that we'll be able to shape a better society to live in by knowing the importance of rights, law, and regulations. So right now, as you can see, we're here in Dirang Block Library. In 21st century, it doesn't look like that. You can see the condition of the library. There is a stall outside the library. So come and let's see the inside condition of the library.
This is a visual of Block Library Dirang in West Kameng district, which is in a very pathetic condition and is in the verge of losing its existence. As per the District Library and Information Officer Bomdila, Lobom Tamen, the said library was constructed in the year 1980s, and after its construction, no any support and assistance has been provided from the government side for its development. Today, the Block Library Dirang lies in a pathetic condition, with no readers visiting the library due to its poor lighting condition, space and ambience. There is also a report of encroachment of library compound from the locals. Here is a report.
Being a district library and information officer, have you ever tried to bring some improvement in the condition of library? As we have seen, the condition of library is worse. So have you ever tried to bring some improvement?
Okay, so let me tell you, I have joined as a district library and information officer in this particular district on 23/12/2019. So after my joining, I visited Dirang Library, and then I came to know that the condition of library, block library Dirang is very pathetic. So after visiting the library, I informed our department, that is our directors are also regarding the condition. And then, no, from my end, I have informed the director, I have informed the department, and then I have took all the photos and videos and all the necessary information regarding the pathetic condition of the Dirang Library. I have informed to the director sir, and the department.
And while visiting the Dirang library, the block library, the condition बहुत खराब था उसका. लाइब्रेरी के आगे में कुछ घर भी था, तो उसके ऊपर में आपने कभी कुछ ट्राई किया इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करने के लिए कि that those land encroachment were from the public or the government?
Actually, recently when I visited Block Library Dirang, I came to know that someone has constructed few uh, structure from the teams. So after seeing that, I have written a letter to ADC Dirang on dated 12 April 2021, and copy was also sent to the Deputy Commissioner of West Kameng District for information and necessary action, and another copy was sent to the Director of Public Library, Itanagar, for information and necessary action. So now it's been a few months that I have sent my letter. So still, I haven't received any official reply from the concern. So that was the thing which I have done for my part. And then regarding the Dirang Library also, I would like to tell you that this library was constructed in the year 1988. So now it's almost more than 3 decades. So no proper attention and support was given from the government end for the for the improvement or for develop that particular library.
So, sir, just for the information, as you have said that you have submitted memorandum or a request to the government. What was the response from the government?
No, see, being an officer, I feel that I am the in charge of this district, and whatever is happening, my responsibility is to um, inform the director regarding happenings in the district. So I have done my part. I have informed everything, the condition, and then whatever it is to the director. So now I think I have done my part by informing the director regarding the condition of the library. So now, it's up to them, up to the director, up to the government. But
So, sir, since right now we're here in Bomdila Library, so after seeing the condition of Bomdila Library, there is only one room for the people. Those people who are interested, they can come and learn. There is only one room. as we can see that there was some utensil as well. So that it means that room is have been used for many things, not only for study. So what do you think about that?
Yes, you have rightly pointed out that we have only one room in our library, and then that reading area, the table for reader is set in that room also, and then our junior librarian used to sit there, and along with junior librarian, our attendant, and then even the contingency staff, they used to stay in that room only. And as you have mentioned regarding the utensils, that is the room where we used to prepare our tea also. So it's not that like I don't want to like provide a conducive environment for the readers, but thing is that I have only one room, and then so like all the activities, libraries activities, and all the manual roles of the libraries are like conducted in that room only. But recently, last year, secretaries have visited the library, so um, mm, I have shared the issues before him. So fortunately, this year we have allotted some amount from the government. So in the ground floor, we have constructed a extension. So that room will be used as a reading area, and especially for children's. A dedicated children's section will be established there. But thing is that the structure is already constructed, but still, like to functionalize that structure, we need additional support from the government. Like I need proper paintwork, I need dedicated furniture, especially for the children. I need proper like shelves to patient. Then only like the structure and the building will be functionalized. So through your channel also, I would like to appeal the government to take necessary action in this regard to functionalize that structure.
Sir, I have a last question. So as you can see, there are lots of books on the shelf. So I want to know some how book collection actually work.
Actually, like we don't have any authorization for the purchasing of books. Whatever books are there, as you have seen, it's all like coming from the Itanagar, from the director's end. So, like they used to purchase it centrally, and then they used to distribute it to the all the districts and the block and sub-region libraries.
So whatever books right now we have in our shelf, it directly come from the Itanagar, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So you never make a choice that we need this kind of book so that our readers will be more interested. We don't have that kind of choice.
No, no.
Government make the choice.
Yes, yes. Department made the choice, and they used to send the books to us. That's the thing.
Alright. So regarding that, sir, do you have any personal opinion?
जैसे कि मुझे लगता है कि अ, हर किसी जगह का रीडर्स का चॉइस अलग अलग होगा से एग्जांपल अगर कोई लाइब्रेरी वेस्ट कामेंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है तो यहाँ का मेजर ट्राइब्स है मोनपा शेडुकपेन आका मिजीज एंड ऑल सो यहाँ का स्टूडेंट्स और यहाँ का रीडर्स तो वो बुक्स पढ़ना पसंद करेंगे अगर निशी बेल्ट में है तो देन वहाँ का रीडर्स निशी बुक्स पढ़ना प्रेफर करेगा सो और अगर ये लाइब्रेरी अगर कॉलेज के सामने है तो स्टूडेंट्स जो कॉलेज रिलेटेड बुक्स पढ़ना प्रेफर करेगा अगर स्कूल के सामने है तो स्टूडेंट्स फिक्शंस हो गया नॉवेल्स हो गया स्टोरीज बुक्स हो गया वो पढ़ना पसंद करेगा सो लाइब्रेरी जो जहाँ जो एरिया में होता है उस एरिया का नीड्स को लेके उस एरिया का रीडर्स का जो एक्चुअल नीड्स है और जैसे यूजर सर्वे करके व्हाट आर द एक्चुअल नीड्स एंड रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द रीडर्स एंड स्टूडेंट उस हिसाब में अगर बुक सिलेक्शन किया जाए तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा नहीं तो क्या है कि बुक्स जैसा बहुत है लेकिन वो बुक्स को कोई पढ़ने वाले नहीं है तो द सोल मोटिव ऑफ द बुक वो पूरा नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि कोई रीडर ही नहीं है तो कलेक्शन ही बढ़ रहा है लेकिन उसको कोई पढ़ने वाला नहीं है तो इसलिए मैं पर्सनली सोचता हूँ कि अगर यूजर सर्वे करते हुए और एक्चुअल नीड्स ऑफ द एरिया को लेके अगर बुक लिया जाए परचेस किया जाए तो वो ज़्यादा सही रहेगा